I pushed my students out into the wild to engage with the diverse Brisbane community of Russian native speakers and to take responsibility for their own learning. Every one of my students said they wanted to do it again, and so now we're continuing it in 3 other courses. Few people realize that Brisbane is home to the oldest Russian-speaking community in Australia, going back to 1886.
We asked our students to interview native Russian speakers from the community, some of whom we recruited before the semester started.
It was really interesting for me to participate in this program because I got the opportunity to actually learn about my student, their background and why they've chosen to learn such a difficult language as Russian. I experienced a sense of pride to be able to help students acquire, the language.
So after each meeting, our students realized that they should work on their pronunciation, vocabulary and grammar, and they felt everything was connected in real situation, in real communication. And exams became less stressful for them.
I prepare my students for this experience with online homework modules, online quizzes, in-class pair and group work, and scaffolded guides that they can take to the interviews with them. They reflect on the interviews once they have completed them, and then consolidate what they have learned for mid-semester and final oral and written assessments.
I thought it was great. It was a very practical experience. You get to use the stuff that you learned in class, and then you apply it in everyday world. You get to use it with actual Russian speakers, and then it's quite fulfilling when they actually understand what you're actually saying, and you get some self-validation there, and it gives you more, makes you more motivated to keep studying Russian.
Students reflected on their learning and became more attuned to what they needed to work on. An additional benefit was that our program became more visible to the community. This strategy can be used in other language courses, but also in content courses that involve work with community partners or industry partners.